Episode 83, Beyond the Horizon. Inspector Vijay, the investigating officer, looked at the list of people he had to question. Anmol was not recruited through the company placements, sir. Mr. Bimal Gupta, one of our biggest clients, he insisted that we offer a job to his brother-in-law, this Anmol. I was not happy, sir, with Anmol's inclusion in my team. My team members are very hardworking and very committed, sir. And I doubted if Anmol possessed these qualities. And, sir, my first impression that Anmol was a work shirker, it proved correct from day one, sir. Anmol was asked to design a sales campaign for a new client. But the very first presentation he made, sir, will you believe it? It was copied straight from AI, artificial intelligence. It was very general, moreover, with no specific inputs for the client. On being questioned, Anmol simply brushed it off. आजकल तो यही सब चलता है ना, sir. People like these things only. And look at our clients, sir. They're confirmed desi people. What will they understand about sales or marketing strategy of their Ayurvedic medicines? I do agree, sir. I shouted at him. These same desi clients are paying us 2 crores for their sales and marketing campaign, Anmol. Money that will facilitate our salaries. We don't design campaigns based on the academic qualifications of our clients. We design them to push their sales and increase their revenues. Next time, never ever dare to bring up this kind of argument here. Get on the job right now and make a fresh presentation, which should not be copied from anywhere. Do you get that? I was his closest friend, sir. We were together in school for a few years, then again in the MBA program. He was always, how do I explain this? Somewhat dheela, thoda slow tha, sir. He was very dependent, sir, if you get what I'm trying to say. Throwing tantrums for small things, not doing even small tasks on his own. One night I called him and I found him so upset. His presentation, which he had copied from the AI, was rejected by his boss, Mohit sir. So Anmol had to stay in office till 9:30 p.m. to make a new one. Now, this is a very normal practice in corporate offices, sir. But somehow Anmol felt that he was being victimized. I tried to calm him down, sir. I told him that clients cannot be treated casually. Campaigns have to be designed keeping their requirements in mind. So what if the client is not well educated or exposed? Someone in his family might be. And what if the client says in the meeting that this presentation is copied from the AI? Anmol remained in close contact with me for 4 years, sir. I was his school teacher and he came to me for tuitions also. अब वो ट्यूशन तो थोड़ा बहुत करना पड़ता है ना सर, नहीं तो घर कैसे चलेगा? Well, Anmol was an average kid, sir, but very loving. Every year he wished me on my birthday. This year I will miss him. But sir, Anmol would get upset very easily. If dad did not come to pick him up on time, or if mom did not cook what he wanted to eat, then he would get very irritated, sir. When he entered the 12th standard, I told Prakash Bhai, his dad, to give him a 2-wheeler for coming to the tuition classes. But Prakash Bhai just did not agree, sir. End तक वो ही छोड़ने आते थे और वो ही लेने आते थे. Anmol was a loving individual, sir. He had secured an NRI seat in our MBA program, which is the highest paid seat, 10 lakhs per semester. So by the time he would finish the program, he would have paid 40 lakhs. Assignments and projects. Well, I always gave him extensions, sir, and I asked my colleagues to do the same. His scores. Well, truth be told, sir, his scores just do not reflect his actual intelligence or industriousness. Because we had to inflate his scores, sir. I felt bad doing it because the girl we put in the second position deserved to be at the first. But then he was quite a caring individual, sir. Anmol came into our lives 6 years after my birth. Though my parents have been very loving, yet I could understand that they were the happiest at the birth of a son. They doted on him. They wouldn't let him do anything on his own. When he would come back from school, Mom would make hot chapatis for him right then. He was never taught to clear his plates after lunch and dinner, or clean his room, or take responsibility for any household chores. Dad wouldn't even let him go for picnics with his friends. God knows what scared them. They would by turns drop him and pick him up from tuition classes or from birthday parties or the school annual functions. I tried to reason with them, but they were so protective towards Anmol that he never really learned how to handle pressures or maybe find a way out of difficult situations. That night, Anmol reached home at 10 p.m. and then remembered that his parents were attending a wedding in Surat. The evening cook hadn't turned up. Anmol was so angry with everyone, office, his parents, the cook. I told him, "Arey yaar, mom dad ghar pe nahi hai to kya hua? Are they there only to take care of your needs? Don't they have a life of their own? Both you and Didi are settled now, so let them enjoy their lives a little, bro. And tu food app se khana mangwa lena yaar. Big deal. I do it almost every day, boss. Just yesterday." But Anmol had banged down the phone, sir. Next day, his presentation again had so many errors, sir. We had another client meeting, so I took the rest of the team with me, leaving Anmol behind in the office. Anmol took this very negatively, sir. Our guard later on told us that Anmol went down and smoked nearly half a packet of cigarettes. We clinched the deal with the new client and came back to office in a celebratory mood. I know, sir, my mistake. We forgot to invite Anmol to join in the celebrations. But when we began to allot work for this new campaign, Abhishek and Niyati refused to take Anmol under them. I had to keep him with me then. Anmol, did you speak to the Uttam Studios for recording the jingle for the dental clinic? Anmol, what is the progress in the social media ads for the beauty salon? Anmol, did you fix up a meeting with the insurance firm? Anmol, did you mail the minutes of the meeting with the auto company? रोज इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछता था सर, एंड रोज कोई कॉन्क्रीट रिप्लाई नहीं मिलता था. It was therefore obvious, sir, that we had to deny an increment to him during the appraisal, sir. You see that photograph in the middle, sir, in which Anmol is in full cricket gear. That is my favorite picture of my son. He demanded the expensive cricket kit which I was not able to afford, sir. I was in fact saving to buy a two-wheeler for Amisha. But he didn't eat anything for an entire day. So my wife Aarti got wild and I had to get him the kit, sir. He joined a cricket coaching academy too. But his coach wasn't excited about his talent. He told me that all Anmol wanted to do was to bat. No fielding practice or net bowling. I knew that Anmol wouldn't do anything he didn't like. But I guess I failed to explain to him that most of the things we have to do in life are the ones we don't like. He he wasn't very tough, sir. But but I can hardly believe that he could become so weak. He, he was my son, sir, and the most loving and caring child in the world. So थोड़ा नखरीला था, but that every child is. I always thought that when he grows up, he will mature and understand his responsibilities. That night, we were at a wedding in Surat. Around 10 p.m., I called him just to ask after him. But he was so upset and so frustrated. क्या खाना खा लिया? For eating dinner, some food needs to be in the house, ma. There is nothing to eat. Corporate sector is so full of pressures and burdens. I'm not like Papa who spent a lifetime routine of 9 to 5 in a bank. We don't have any time limits. All you and Dad want to do is attend marriages in different cities of the world. That your son comes home sick and tired and doesn't find a morsel of food, उसकी कहाँ चिंता है आपको? I still remember, Saab, how Amisha had warned us against spending such a huge amount of money to get him into an MBA program. He failed to score well in the CAT exam and he wanted to enroll in the MBA program of that new new private university, sir. उसका कैंपस उसको बहुत पसंद था. तो क्या करती मैं? I sold off my jewelry. We did all we could for our son, protected him from all outside influences. And yet, why did he take this extreme step?